is the IFB Neptune VX 12-place setting fully automatic dishwasher. IFB sent over one of their technicians to install and demo the machine. Here's what he told us. He explained mainly about the many possible settings, but as there were a lot, I will make a user's guide video in which I will explain them all in detail. Here are the different components that he told us about. The dishes aren't fully dry, but it will be if you use a higher temperature setting. Overall, I highly recommend the IFB Neptune VX dishwasher. When purchasing a dishwasher, there can be some unforeseen expenses. Here they are.